Okay, girls, listen carefully. We proceed now to the question and answer portion. Candidate number 1, please step forward, please.
Maganda lang yan, pero bobo din yan. Kilala ko pamilya niyan.
Candidate number 1, I've heard and I've read your biodata that your favorite subject is science. Is it true?
Yes.
Okay, your question is from astronomy. What do you think is the most important planet in the solar system?
Mercury.
Then why Mercury?
Kasi naniniwala po ako sa Mercury na kasi sigurong gamot ay laging bago. Thank you.
Ang bobo, katanga-tanga.
Bakit hindi ba? Sa Mercury.
Sana ako na lang sumagot to.
Okay, candidate number 2. Oh my God. Candidate number 2, let me remind you that this is a swimsuit competition.
You wanna join in this competition?
I am the host. Come on, take it off.
Take it off.
Iski mo.
Off. Take it off.
Baka kasi sumilip eh. Mahirap na. Pag dumungo yan, lahat, lagot kayo lahat. Lalo ka na madam, nasa lang, baka maanakan kita. Lumayo ka, malamig ang panahon dito.
Huwag mo ilalabas, takpan mo lang kasi baka mamaya pag inalis mo yung takip, makita nilang ikapitong Dragon Ball. Okay. Candidate number 2, please listen carefully.
Yes, I'm listening, bitch.
I am the host.
Host, bitch.
Do you want an easy or a difficult question?
Of course, difficult. Thank you, madam. Difficult.
Here is your difficult question. Being a Filipino, what do you think is the role of the Filipino citizens here in Vienna? What can you say about their heroism in working hard here to protect and to solve the problems and to give a good future to their family?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, before I answer that question, may I say good evening to everyone, to my fellow Filipino. Good evening, everyone. I'm so happy and grateful to be here tonight. And I would like to thank the panel, the board of judges who are here tonight. Thank you. And to my co-candidates. I think gems cannot be polished without fiction, or a man cannot be perfected without trials. And I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, being a homosexual in our society, we have our own principles in life. And I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that we homosexual are very yes, why?
Excuse me, Miss Candidate, I think you have the wrong answer.
I think you have the wrong question. Thank you so much.
Hindi pa tapos.
Oh my God, the two candidates are very stupid. I think, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 3 is a very intelligent person.
Oo naman.
Yes.
Sobra.
Mr. Host, okay, here is your question, candidate number 3. Show me the most difficult one, because I guess this competition, among the candidates, I'm the intelligent one.
Okay. Ganun talaga, hindi lahat ibibigay.
Here is your question. What do you think is the most important part of your body? Well, I guess it would be my neck. Then why your neck? Because my neck is connected to my head. And my head is where my face connected. Where this beautiful face will surely win the crowns for tonight's competition.
Serious?
And the second important part of your body? Well, I guess it would be my arm. Then why your arm? Because my arm is connected to my hands, which I eventually wave on my moment of victory. Can we see you wave? Higher, like the two candidates? Higher? Higher, please.
Taas mo na.
Higher.
Taas mo.
Excuse me, Mr. Host. I cannot raise my hand. Why? Because my armpit is badly devastated by the global warming. Okay. Another question and answer? Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
of course.
Candidate number 1, please step forward.
Lambao na.
Do you want an easy or a difficult question?
Easy.
Easy. Do you have a cell phone?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Bobo talaga. Bobo.
Candidate number 2. Candidate number 2.
Bibigyan ako sa hayop na to eh.
Oh! Okay, here is your question, candidate
Where
number
is
2.
my question?
Here, it's
Where?
with me. What do you think is your best feature?
My best feature tonight, I think I have in my bag my family feature. Because family that prays together stays together. And the family that go out together dies together. Thank you so much.
Yes, Mr. Holt, here is your question. Given a chance to become an animal, what animal?
Ang sakit ko na open yun. Ako,
Di ba pwedeng flower muna? Sorry.
kung flower yan, roots agad yan.
Given a chance to become an animal, what animal would you like to be and why? I would like to be an amphibian. Oh, why an amphibian? Because amphibians are animals that can both live in land and water. Oh, can you give me an
Informative.
example? Excuse me, a frog. Of course, a frog. Another example? Two more frog, please. Thank you so much. Ano na mo?
Okay, dapat yung question, pang, ayan.
Ano, gusto nyo
Ano?
pang mahirap?